wishes? Yes. Okay, we invite you to take the center space again. Doon na si Mami. Gusto ko palakpakan naman yan para kay Mami. Ayan, laki ng sakripisyo ni Mami sa lahat-lahat, di ba?
Happy birthday, my baby Bushi. Now that you're 18, I hope you continue to be a good person as you always are. Siya po kasi talaga yung pinakamabait ko anak. Actually, mabait din naman yung dalawa, pero wala na talaga natalo sa kabutihan nito. Kaya, kung sino ba nakakabihag o nakabihag ng puso niya, ingatan nyo, ingatan mo kung gusto sasaktan. Diba? I pray that God will continue to bless you and give you the wisdom to make the right decisions. Ayun, basta nandito lang kami to support you. Make us proud someday. We love you. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you very much, Mami, and congrats.